This is Premier Water and Sewer. We're at 15 Juno. We've pushed out to the main connection via the newly installed 4-inch PVC cleanout. You see there's the main, 6-inch clay tying into the main. And then we jump back up into 4-inch PVC, covering up all the cracks, breaks, and roots. 4-inch PVC all the way back until you get to the house line, and then we lined underneath the house. We lined the old 4-inch cast iron that was cracked. We're back at the 4-inch cleanout. We'll pause and we'll push upstream and take a video from there back. Alright, resuming our recording. We pushed up to the sweep. See right there's the sweep. That white stuff's just soap in there. There's the end of our liner. We didn't want to line up into the sweep because the toilet sweep ties in really low. So there's our 4-inch liner coming back. Just a piece of dirt that got in on installation. Here's where we pull back into our PVC repair. And we're back at our PVC cleanout. That'll conclude the video.